thought you said you were different. Was that what I heard you say? Said that you love only me. Thought that you'd be all I need. What happened to promises? Said that you were better man. But once had no way with me. Cause you counterfeit. I see, I don't need this.
I'm scared. Like, I'm really scared about tonight. Like, I want to do a good job. Yeah, it's crazy. People expect so much, and I just want to be able to give them what they want and really bless them. Only thing I can do is sing from my heart, and I'm just happy that I'm able to get the chance and to get out of my bathroom and get on stage, you know. So this is a blessing tonight, and I'm really excited to see, you know, how people respond to me, and I hope they respond well.
That you made, that you made.